Assalamualaikum. My name is Habiba and I am a student of class 4th Aisha. I am presenting you the model of first aid kit. First aid means responding to an emergency situation. First aid kit contains necessary items to deal an emergency situation. It consists of medical tape, scissors, syringe, painkiller tablets, cotton wool, thermometer, iodine and bandage. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rahma and I am a student of class 5 Aisha. Today I am presenting you the model of mushroom. They belong to kingdom fungi. They fruiting the bodies and macrofungi. They are loaded with health boosting minerals like vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Therefore, they are used as food as well as used in medicine. But some types of mushroom are poisonous and should not be eaten. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zuha Asif and I am a student of class 4. Today I am presenting you the model of a plant. A plant consists of the following parts that are leaves, roots, stems, flowers and seeds. Leaves. They are a part of a plant that absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide and make food for the plant. Stems. They support the plant and transport food and water. Flowers and seeds. In some plants, flowers develop into fruit which contains the seeds. New plants can grow from the seeds. Roots hold the plant in place. Roots absorb nutrients and water from the soil.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rish Fatma. I study in class 4. Today I am presenting you the model of human jaw. Human jaw is made of a pair of bones that form the framework of the mouth. The adult human being 32 teeth. They are of 4 main kinds of the teeth: incisors, canine, premolars and molars. They are used for biting, cutting, chewing and grinding food. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम. मेरा नाम वजीहा है. मैं यंग स्कॉलर स्कूल की क्लास होम की स्टूडेंट हूँ. आज मैं आपको निज़ाम शमसी के बारे में बताऊँगी. निज़ाम शमसी सूरज और 8 चारों पर मुश्तमिल है. इन चारों में अतारत, ज़ोहरा, ज़मीन, मरीख, मुश्तरी, ज़ोहर, यूरेनस और नेपच्यून शामिल है. ये तमाम सितारे सूरज के गिर्द घूमते हैं. ज़मीन अपनी मिदार में लट्टू की तरह घूमती है. ज़मीन की इस गर्दिश से दिन और रात वजूद में आते हैं. ज़मीन सूरज के गिर्द एक चक्कर 365 दिनों में मुकम्मल करती है. ज़मीन की इस हरकत से दिन मौसम वजूद में आते हैं.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम. मेरा नाम इंसा है. मैं यंग स्कॉलर स्कूल की क्लास होम की स्टूडेंट हूँ. आज मैं आपको खतरे से दो चार जानवर के बारे में बताऊंगी. ये ऐसे जानवर हैं जिनकी नस्ल तेजी से ख़त्म हो रही है. मसलन काला हिरन, मालकोर, बर्फानी रीछ और डॉल्फिन वगैरह. इन जानवरों के ख़त्म होने की 2 बड़ी वजूहात हैं. एक जंगलात का कटाव और दूसरा जानवरों का गैर कानूनी शिकार. हुकूमत को इन जानवरों के शिकार पर पाबंदियाँ दायर करनी चाहिए.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hania. I am a student of class 7th Aisha. I am going to present the model of breathing system. Let me tell you how do the breathing system works. Breathing system consists of trachea, bronchioles, alveoli and lungs. Breathing system has 2 phases: inhalation and exhalation. During inhalation, rib muscles contract, diaphragm flattens and space in chest cavity increases, so air enters into the lungs. During exhalation, rib muscle relaxes, diaphragm comes back to its original position and space in chest cavity reduces, so air expelled from the lungs. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Madhur Abdul Salam. I am a student of 7th Aisha. This is a model of types of covalent bond. Covalent bond is formed by the mutual sharing of electrons. It has 3 types: single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. The single covalent bond, when one electron pair is shared between 2 bonded atoms, is called single covalent bond. It is represented by a single line. Here, hydrogen gas and water molecules represents single covalent bonding. Double covalent bond, when 2 electron pair are shared between 2 bonded atoms, is called double covalent bond. It is represented by double line. Here, oxygen gas and carbon dioxide molecules represents double covalent bonding. Triple covalent bond, when 3 electron pair are shared between 2 bonded atoms, is called triple covalent bond. It is represented by triple lines. Here, nitrogen gas molecules represent triple covalent bonding. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Taqaddus. I am a student of 7th Aisha. This is a model of human heart. Our heart is about the size of feet. It consists of cardiac muscles and has 4 chambers. Right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from all the body parts. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from lungs through pulmonary vein. Oxygenated blood from left ventricle is pumped towards all the body parts except lungs. Deoxygenated blood from right ventricle is pumped towards the lungs for oxygenation. Human heart also has 2 nodes, SA nodes, AV nodes, which generate electrical impulse for contraction of atria, ventricles respectively. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abiha. I am a student of class 6th Aisha. I am going to present the model of animal cell. A cell is a basic unit of living organism. Animal cell consists of nucleus, cell membrane, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes and centrioles. Cell membrane act as semi-permeable membrane. Ribosomes are the factory of protein synthesis. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. All cellular activities are governed by the nucleus. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafsa Nadeem. I am a student of class 6 Aisha. Today I will tell you about light microscope and its basic parts. Light microscope is an instrument used in science lab to see microorganisms which cannot be seen with the naked eye. Light microscope are of 2 types. First, monocular microscope and second, binocular microscope. This is the model of a monocular microscope. It has different parts. Let me show you. Eyepiece, body tube, objective lenses, arm, stage, mirror and base. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dua Arif. I am a student of class 6 Aisha. Today I have represented you the model of neuron. There are millions of neurons comprising central neuron system and peripheral neuron system. They consist of dendrites, axon and cell body. Whole axonal region is covered with fatty layer of myelin sheet. It increases the speed of conduction. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mushaffa. I am the student of class 6 Aisha. I am going to present the model of plant cell. A cell is a basic unit of living organisms. Plant cell consists of a larger vacuole, cell wall, cell membrane, chloroplast, mitochondria and a nucleus. Vacuole stores water and nutrients and it helps in maintaining shape of the cell. Chloroplast play an important role in photosynthesis. Nucleus is the brain of the cell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Plant cells are different from animal cells in many aspects, like they have a larger vacuole, a cell wall and presence of chloroplast. Assalamu alaikum.